On my first day in Los Angeles, I'll be exploring the city on my own. Hopefully, di tayo maligaw. To sum up everything, I'm planning to go back at Lacma to see it in the morning. Then head straight to Brea tar pits, eat at Farmer's Market, pass by the Grove, then walk to Holocaust Museum. Hop on a bus to Hollywood, then check out the TCL Chinese Theater. And we'll be planning to end the night at Santa Monica Pier. But before we proceed, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and put a thumbs up on this video. From my host home at Rodel Boulevard, I walked towards the nearest metro station so I could buy a new tap card because I lost the one I bought last night.
Naghahanap ako guys sa 7-Eleven, but unfortunately wala 7-Eleven nearby kasi I need to buy a tap card. Hindi kasi ako makapaglagay ng pera sa Apple Pay because I don't have a credit card that's registered here in the US, so that sucks. Now I need to go to the train station para lang makapag-bili ng tap card kasi wala ko yung tap card ko. At the nearest train sa amin.
From here, I will be taking the train, then transfer to a bus ride, then go down at Wilshire Boulevard. Walk for a few minutes to reach the famous Lacma, or Los Angeles County Museum of Art.
So, nakakatawa guys. Nag-book ako ng ticket for Lacma supposedly. So, nagbiyahe ako with Pier sa Lacma. Tapos, pagdating ko doon sa gate, pagdating ko sa ticket, ang nabook ko pala Museum Natural History. Which is nandun sa downtown area. Sabi ko, shocks, nakakahiya. Tapos, syempre, ang layo ko. So, anong gagawin natin dito? So, ngayon, punta na tayo dun sa isang exhibit sa tar pit.
Na-establish ito noong 1965, and it is the largest art museum in the western United States. Dito din matatagpuan ang notable pieces like Chris Burden's Organ Light, and Michael Heiser's Levitated Mass. Within this area, matatagpuan din ang Brea tar pits,
Closed first Tuesday of the month,
which is a fascinating natural wonder and paleontological site.
so this actually explains how it works. So yung tar, it sips from an ice age time capsule daw. So there's a type of animals and plants that get stuck in one of the seep and are often different from those that get stuck in the seep that pops up later.
These peats contain one of the world's richest deposits of Ice Age fossils, dating back tens of thousands of years. The tar pits form from natural asphalt seepage, trapping and preserving countless ancient animals and plants over millennia. Excavations at the site have unearthed skeletons of mammoths, saber-toothed cats, dire wolves, and many other extinct species, providing invaluable insights into prehistoric ecosystems. Today, the Brea tar pits and George C. Page Museums stand as a unique educational attraction, allowing visitors to witness ongoing fossil excavations, explore exhibits showcasing remarkable finds, and gain a deeper understanding of Earth's ancient history and the process of fossilization.
So, next destination natin, babalik tayo sa The Grove kasi malapit na siya dito eh. Tapos puntahan natin yung Holocaust Museum. Naglalakad ako kasi na-miss ko yung bus. Yung next bus was 25 minutes waiting time. So, na-realize ko, maglakad na lang ako kung ganun din naman yung oras. So, we got here the Whole Food Market and we're heading at the original farmers market is over there.
It was past lunch already, so I went straight to the famous farmers market. After checking all the stores, I finally found something satisfying. We'll be having Chinese food for today.
So after all the choices, I end up eating Chinese food. Comfort food, guys. Yeah.
After lunch, diretso tayo sa isang famous shopping mall called The Grove. The Grove is a premier shopping and entertainment destination nestled in the heart of Los Angeles, California. Actually, this reminds me of Eastwood Mall in the Philippines, with its charming open-air design, a diverse array of upscale retailer, popular eateries, and entertainment options.
From the Grove, may nakita akong museum nearby, yung Holocaust Museum. So we're gonna check that out. It was said na free yung entrance, so bisitahin na rin natin. Ito na siya, lapit na. Lakad ko lang siya from there. Siguro mga 2 minutes, 3 minutes away.
From here, it will only take 3 minutes to walk to Holocaust Museum, LA. Actually, nakita ko lang siya while checking the Google Maps, so I really do not have an idea what to expect inside. Booking tickets should be done online, and once you are inside, staff will then let you explore the museum. Ticket prices cost $15 per adult, and the museum also gives free entry to everyone during Sunday. The Holocaust Museum LA serves as a poignant memorial and educational institution dedicated to preserving the memory of the Holocaust and promoting awareness of its profound lessons. Located in LA, California, the museum offers immersive exhibitions, survivor testimonies, and educational programs that illuminates the atrocities during one of history's darkest chapters. Through artifacts, personal stories, and interactive displays, visitors gain a deeper understanding of the Holocaust's impact on individuals, families, and communities. The museum also emphasizes the importance of combating hatred, bigotry, and genocide through education, remembrance, and advocacy, ensuring that the lessons of the Holocaust resonate with the future generations. I spent almost an hour here at the museum. Afterwards, time na to explore the famous Hollywood Boulevard, where the famous Walk of Fame is located. Sobrang daming stores and activities pala dito that you can do within the area. Pero syempre, dahil limited ang ating budget, lakad-lakad na lang tayo.
Para siyang maasim na mangga. Grabe guys, ang hirap nang walang taga-picture. Puro ako selfie. So, malapit na tayo mag-log out. Kailangan ko makakuha ng place to sit down and open my laptop. So, pupunta tayo ng McDonald's kasi nagpunta ako ng Starbucks. Yung branch nila dito palang pupuan. Kailangan kong umupo because tayo ay mag-log out and then we'll figure out kung saan tayo pupunta next. So, last resort natin is to go to McDonald's.
One of the places not to be missed here is the famous TCL Chinese Theater. Originally known as Grauman's Chinese Theater when it opened in 1927, this historic venue has hosted countless movie premieres, red carpet events, and celebrity handprint ceremonies over the decades.
Robert Downey, Chris Hemsworth, Clemente, Scarlett. Ito.
From here, matatanaw mo na din ang famous Hollywood sign. Good thing, a train station can also be found within the area. From here, uwi muna tayo to meet up with Anna and Mark, for they like to have dinner somewhere in Santa Monica area. Ang dami ding stores dito. We decided to have ramen, especially na ang lamig ng weather. Right after dinner, Anna and Mark brought me to the famous Santa Monica Pier. Santa Monica Pier is nestled along the picturesque coastline of Southern California, is a beloved cultural landmark and recreational hub, with its rich history dating back to 1909. The pier has evolved into a vibrant destination offering entertainment, dining, and stunning ocean views. Sobrang lively ng atmosphere dito at ang dami ding tao. There are also performers, arcade, games, and souvenir shops. And sa dulo ng pier, the iconic Pacific Park Amusement Park delights thrill seekers with its iconic Ferris wheel, roller coaster, and other classic rides. Unfortunately, medyo late na tayo dumating here kaya sarado na when we arrive. Feeling ko, very scenic din ito during the mornings. Bukas, I am thinking of watching a Broadway musical. Ano bang magandang panoorin? What do you think? Let me know in the comment section down below. I hope you enjoyed this simple first day itinerary. You can check out the list of all the places I've visited on my Google Maps. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and put a thumbs up on this video. Until our next trip, this is Nugnuggina City, signing off.